room. It's the biggest room.
Yeah.
Down there, there's a ledge. A ledge is about foot height off the left-hand side as you're going into that room, and that's the start of the catacombs.
What? What are you going to tell us about this?
Now, the catacombs is a long crawl. It's a good, I think it's a little more than 20 feet in length. And it's small, to be truthful about it. It is small. For me, there's one section where I'm scraping my back and my belly when I'm going through it. That's how small.
And there's an alternative?
There is an alternative.
All right.
You can get, when you go down there, it's a pretty good crawl, but it's kind of like a lot of fun. There's a lot of places that you can go into. Eventually, you'll find your way out. Eventually. And the easy way really is just to go down here, and they're going to come out right underneath over here. Okay, so if you don't want to do that,
you can go out this way?
We'll just go out this way. Now, out here, just stay to the right when you're going out and down that drop, because it's a big drop. If you stay to the left, it drops really fast. Stay to the right, you get a little bit more, the floor level comes up a little bit more.
So to head
it's
out,
easier.
This is the easier way.
Yes.
And then you keep making rights.
No, you just stay to the right. Just go to the down to the floor on the first drop, and they'll be coming out right to the left.
Okay. And if you go
you'll see the hole.
It's the other way. So do we do this?
Now it's up to you.
What time is it going to be?
About 2:30.
It's 2:35.
Yeah.
So, I mean, at some point we have to think about wrapping this up.
Yeah, and that's entirely up to you. This is going to take. It's a good half hour
to get out.
To get through.
Either way.
To get through this.
Either way.
If we go left, how long does it take?
Going down here,
Yeah.
it's 2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes to get out.
Yeah. No, not to get out. To get to this point here.
Yeah.
The meetup is right at this floor in this canyon.
And then from there, how far?
From there, it's 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
So if they go down the crawl, how long would it take them to meet? We're going to meet us.
It's another half hour.
So it's 45 minutes, at least 45 minutes to get out of the cave going this way.
Yes.
It sounds like it's 15-20 minutes going this way.
Yes. So it's entirely up to you guys what you want to do, how you want to do it.
I thought going straight they met up with us. Like
they do, but it's a lot more.
Well, it's half hour, 45 minutes for us. It might be like 25 minutes for these guys. So if there's the fast people that want to do the climb in the catacombs.
Is there anyone that wants to do the climb in the catacombs?
I know all the younger guys.
So, guys, if you who does, just guys, truthfully, who does not want to?
It is tight. If you're having claustrophobic issues, do not go in there.
Here's the thing, guys. If whoever's the older guy is going, you're in charge. You follow me?
You need some older guys in the front and the older guys in the back.
We need experience in the front and the back.
Wadi and Alex get the front, me and Ian get the back.
And then you and Ian, guys.
So if I can get some directions, I can lead them up.
He said you go straight, you're going to go down, and then back up, and this down is a little sketchy.
It's a chimney, which means you got to put your hands out in front of you and your knees out in front of you, and you work your way down.
Yeah.
Which means you got to spot each other.
All right, you know what I mean when I mean chimney?
Has anybody done cope?
I can throw myself.
No, none of our guys have done cope.
Yeah, they were. Yeah.
We have some people signed up to do it this summer, but none
Okay.
of them.
All right.
So what are the directions again?
And then come back? I can go up there and help you get down there and come back this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna help them get down.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm going to do the whole crawl because.
No, you don't have to.
Yeah, okay. Me and Ian will get middle, Quincy.
Here, where you going? It's that way.
Yeah, now it gets really, it's small down, it's small that way. All right? So,
Is it up or down?
Up.
And then you're going to come back out and meet us.
We're in the middle.
Yeah, I know.
I need a count, guys. How many are going?
So we should have 8 people going.
Wait, it's up here, right? To the right?
Brandon, which way you
Go through there, go take the first right, and then
First right.
and then a
We should
left.
have 8 people. Where is
First
he going?
right.
And you'll see a chimney going down.
First right, and then a left, and then you see a chimney going down.
Just be careful with that chimney, especially the smaller guys.
Yeah, it's a nasty fall.
Okay, you hear that, guys? That chimney can be a good fall, so the bigger guys look out for each other, look out for the little guys.
I'm gonna help him get
And we're
down
only
there.
taking two scouts.
We're taking 2 back with us.
Okay, so it's Enlightening.
Mark, were you gonna go down there?
What's that?
Were you gonna go straight and watch them, or
I could.
it's up to you? I'm not gonna make you.
Once we get him down the chimney, just let him loose.
Yeah.
Yeah, hang on, bud. Just listen.
I'll at least get him over there and then we'll make it.
And then you don't have to do catacombs.
I might. I
Don't
don't
the
know.
catacombs have bones in them? Don't the catacombs have bones in them?
That's just the name, but yes. Catacombs have-
Is this one?
No,
No, this is not that type of a catapult.
Like, how tight does it get?
the catacombs get very tight.
Very tight. Tighter than the things that
Tighter than you
you've
just
had
came
issues
through,
with.
yeah. He said when he goes through it, his back and his belly are touching at the same time. The walls above and below.
Which means you need to
Like,
bring
it's
extra
tighter
cooking
than the
spray.
keyhole? Like, is it tighter than the keyhole?
Are they supposed to be up or down there and to the right?
Nothing up.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, guys, you went the wrong way. Come back.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe I ought to go first.
Yeah, would probably
Get
be a
the
good
point
idea.
them that way.
I think Garrett was probably on the right path. Yeah.
You gotta come down here and you're heading to the left, then to the right.
Ghostbusters?
Here.
All right, let Alan through here.
Of course.
Sorry.
Yeah, maybe I should get up there.
All right, guys, hold up for Alan.
Come on down and just get behind me for
In a
now.
weird fluke of nature, Garrett was right.
Is this the,
Yeah.
That happens once in a while.
Garrett, go back to the spot you were going.
Even a
at.
broken clock is right twice a
Send
day.
All right, go.
That's his
Garrett.
Come on
first
back here. Come on back here behind me
Yeah.
so that I can get up. I have to go that direction.
Garrett has one more
Okay,
chance
hold
to be
up,
right
guys.
today.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hey guys, wait for Alan.
Let me go first, okay?
Alan's gonna lead you to the chimney.
And then you all can play Santa Claus.
ho, 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 ho.
I could put down there.
That's not the.
Shake and I
Yeah, just follow him and I'll hop behind me.
Alright, little critters are up next.
Am I looking?
Don't lose the person behind you.
Alice is good. No, he just
No. Just have a seat till we get everybody around. Around here.
Is this the chimney?
Yeah, don't go down yet. Come on, let's back out.
Oh, it
Back out for right now.
Oh, look at that.
I don't want to lose anybody down there.
I can go first.
Slow down. We gotta get everybody up here.
That's 6 feet? No way. That's-
keep it pushing.
No way this is 6 feet. This is like 10.
Yeah, it's only more than 6.
Where's the hole that Philip fell down last time?
Bro, the pee whenever I get out of here is
Yo, Garrett, I'm gonna go down. Oh, you go down. I'll drop my bag down to you, and then you can.
Just put it down.
Yeah.
All right. This is what I've been waiting for.
That MJ?
Okay, I need somebody. Is there an adult going down?
Nah, I don't think so.
Okay. Whoever's going down first, that's the spot. Everybody else going down.
I got that. Then
You
Alex
sure?
Yeah, Alex will drop.
Wait,
the
can we
back
just like swap spotters, or should we just have one person spotting the whole thing?
I would prefer one of you bigger guys
You want me? I
to
can go down
do all
after
the
him.
spotting. Okay?
I'll go down after him.
Once Alex gets down, he can do most of this.
Okay, hold on.
No, I
Hold on a
like
second.
Cole do it.
Yeah,
He's got, he's
Let me get you started here. Hold on. Wait, wait, wait.
He's a big
Slow
guy.
down. Slow down. Come back up a second. I'm going to show you where your foot just was.
Yes. There.
If you start out sitting there, okay, keep your arms up because you have to lower yourself down. There are no real good footholds
Okay.
until you get down to the floor. Okay, so you're almost like
I can take a nap.
dropping yourself down by your hands.
It's like flat down there, or
What's that?
it's like flat, or like what's the ground like?
No, it's not. There's a rock there. There's other things. Now, if you want to, if you can, you can jam like your knee
Yeah.
on the one wall and your foot on the other wall to slide down. Make yourself big.
Yeah.
Is part of the trick.
As much as
So you cause a lot of friction going down. Okay, give it a shot. So I can. Wait a minute. You keep doing this to me, dude. You take off and I don't get a video of you doing these things. You gotta let me do my video thing. Otherwise, I get very upset.
Come on, Carrot.
we have to.
Yeah. Come on. We gotta cooperate here. It's a team effort, right?
Yeah, we're a team.
All right, go. Let's see how you do on this. Take your time. Take your time.
We probably could have came to that way too.
Once you get down there, you'll see the footholds. You're doing very good. Very good. I like the way you did that. Very good. Okay.
Here, Garrett. My bag.
Take your time.
Alex, so you go next.
Yeah, Cole, come down after me, right?
No, I'm going down after.
No, Cole needs to spy. He's like
Oh,
tallest.
okay.
So.
Yeah, I'll go down after Cole then. Cole, go.
Take your time. Take your time. Watch what he does.
Wait, don't hold me.
That's it. Just that way.
And my coveralls are a little bit tight, so this is gonna be.
Is that it?
If you hear me screaming, don't be alarmed.
more and you're hitting that.
There is a flaw.
Now you'll be more.
That's not great.
Cover one.
Kind of sideways, but that's option. Alright, let's just set up tent right now.
How far?
You can just set a tent in
You're
here.
almost there.
Do we have like tents? Like we just have something.
Okay, let me get the other side of this. I can see better.
You gave me a surprise on the way down.
Go, you're up.
Who's next?
Oh, me.
Who's next? Take your time going down, okay?
I don't have a single thing down.
What?
I'll
Take your feet, alright?
Or
There's
charge
one.
one.
Yeah, just like, you wanna go or just double two?
Right foot.
Down and like elbows on the rocks up there.
Don't climb in yet. You have to stay out of the hole completely so that he has room.
You're probably like 2 feet off the ground right now.
Okay.
You're doing good. You're doing really good. Look at this. You guys are amazing.
Bang. Alright.
There you go. Okay.
Now little kids just jump down and I'll catch you.
No, thanks.
Take your time.
No, that was for you.
Are you ready for him?
Yeah, I can get him.
All right. Take your time going down. Don't rush it. Listen to what he's saying.
Almost there. Alright, you can drop. You're good. Got you.
All right. I need to get my leg out.
Guys, guide Todd. Hold on, Brandon.
Yeah, you got to wait till he says it's clear because it's very small down there.
Alright, Brandon.
Sit down on the ledge.
Drop me your foot.
See where your left foot is. You want to try to sit on that.
Give me both of your feet and I can support you down.
That's it.
Hold your upper body.
Dude, it actually looks deeper than I was expecting.
I got you. I got you.
Oh, it is pretty deep.
I thought it would be like slow down.
I guess I'm like as tall as I can.
Alright, ready?
Flip it.
I think it's
Alright, you're good.
you can just like stand up at the bottom and just be like, yep.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me get out of the hole. All right, I shouldn't be in there.
Yeah, I assume you don't need me to hold you.
Probably not too much, but if I do, I'll let you know. But just like,
You'll sub me out, all right?
am I clear?
Yeah, you're good.
All right. Yeah, I'll try to do it in my like most
Yeah.
of my room. Gotta
The
say,
little guys were just not tall enough to even maneuver themselves. Oh, this is an interesting path.
Just kind of course through it down.
there's some.
You like 6 inches off the ground. There you go.
Yeah, being tall helps with this.
Hopefully I have enough.
Well, it's just Quincy and Karen.
Ian, let me know when you're out of the way.
Alright. You can probably do it on your own, but I'm gonna hold
Just be down there.
Yeah, just be down there so that
So in case you need help, I'll be here. I'll like let you know how close you are to the ground. Whenever you're ready, you're good.
So where do you go when you go down there, Alan?
Alright.
that way.
That
Way, yes.
is it starting the belly crawl right here?
No, it's kind of have to loop through a couple of rooms.
Okay.
When you get down there, it's just like bubbles type of thing. So you go from one to the next, and then you'll wind up in a room that's a little bit larger,
Okay.
and you'll be able to see that there's a path off to the left.
Off to the left, and that's where you got to get on the belly, right?
Yeah,
And like about 20 feet.
maybe more.
You can start coming down.
All right.
And if you get lost, it's even longer.
But when you're on your stomach, then which way are you heading in there? To the left.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I think I'm gonna go down with these guys.
Oh, you'll like it.
I feel like an adult should be there.
Where's the foothold?
Instead of one, I'll go.
Not really. Oh, I found it. Okay.
These guys are doing so good.
Yeah, what's the ground? Oh, this one.
I can't get over how well they are.
Come down.
I think I'm not. I'm gonna think better. You guys are on your own.
Okay.
Have fun.
You go through a couple of rooms and then